So next, how does the value change along the chain? Habang dumadaan yung product sa iba't ibang step like processing and packaging, tumataas yung value or presyo niya. What types of relationship and leakage exist? Ito yung connection or partnership ng iba't ibang actors sa value chain, like farmers to trader or processor to retailer. Importante ito para sa smooth na flow ng negosyo. What types of services are feeding into the chain? Ito yung mga support services na tumutulong sa value chain tulad ng transportation, storage, financing, training at technology. So next is, what is the location and position of the poor in the value chain? So tinitingnan dito saan napupunta o anong role ng mga low-income groups sa value chain tulad ng farmers or laborers. Next, what key constraint exists at various levels in the chain and what are the potential solution to those constraints? So, ito yung mga problems or challenges sa value chain like kulang sa kapital, poor transportation, or low technology. At kung ano yung possible solution para ma-improve ito. So the last one is, how do products, information, and knowledge flow through the value chain? Ito yung paano gumagalaw yung product, information, at knowledge sa buong value chain from production hanggang makarating sa consumer.